Hi guys, welcome once again. In this video we are going to look at 10 more AI tools which are free to use, and it is second part of the series of video. If you didn't watch the first video, watch it from end cards. Subscribe for more upcoming videos about AI tools. OneMoreAI.com is a AI-generated stock images platform to find thousands of pictures generated by artificial intelligence. We can use the images for our personal and commercial use for free. This website contains a lot of AI tools for every use case. This website contains tools related to prediction, SEO, marketing, email, blogging, Instagram, YouTube, podcast, etc. All this AI tools are free to use and they generate answers very fastly. Stable Diffusion converts text prompts into images. We can generate science fiction, art and regular images for free. It creates high-quality images. We can also access prompt database in this website. This website has image tools which can enhance, retouch, repair, colorize and clean up pictures. We can only use AI colorize and AI repair for free. You can also use other tools for free up to some tries. There are premium versions for more access. This website creates stock photos of people who don't exist. We can use the photos of those people anywhere for free. We can also adjust clothing, hairstyle and age to get the desired person photo. These photos are generated by AI and are high quality, royalty-free and completely unique. We have to log in with Google account to generate AI person for free. This website contains many AI writing tools. It has chatbot like ChatGPT called ChatSonic, which include the real-time results powered by Google search data. We can also access GPT-4 in paid plan. We can also give voice commands and the chatbot will respond in speech. This chatbot also generates images with text prompts. We can also chat certain websites or documents. It has free plan for limited use. It has many more AI tools than ChatSonic. This website has tools like Magic Eraser, Background Eraser, Image Enlarger, Picture Generator, Profile Photo Booth, Product Photos Canvas, etc. We can use these tools for free but with watermark. To get premium benefits we have to subscribe to paid plan. This website has the AI tools directory which updates daily. All tools which I suggested are gathered from this site. We can also filter the list of all tools to get best AI website which suits our needs. Try to explore the vast list of AI tools and comment down below if you find any useful AI tools in this website. This website will remove video background using AI for free, but the output video has watermark. If we want to remove watermark then we has to get the paid plan. Unscreen Pro also supports full HD resolution, no watermark, API plus plugins, audio support and other benefits. Elicit is a research assistant which will find answers for your questions from 175 million papers. We can also upload our research PDFs and Elicit will assist you to read those PDF using AI. It is free to use.